Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear children, now we will see lesson number 10. Title of this lesson is Sadhu Vachanam. Sadhu Vachanam, it is called saying of a saint. Okay. Now we will see introduction. Ita prakopi ita konmasti moodatma yastu swarte pramadyati durlabam manusham deham prapya tatrapi paurusham. It means, who else is a fool who delights in selfishness in spite of attaining a human body with valor which is very difficult to obtain. Iti Shankaracharyasya uktihi. Thus spake Shankaracharya. Okay. Satyam hi tat manavaha durlabam deham prapya swartameva sada yatate. True indeed is that the people, even after getting a body which is very difficult to get, strives only for personal gains. Tena manusyanam pashunam cha ko bedaha drashtum saknya. By that, what difference can be seen between men and animals? Kakaha api sanchva udarapurnam karotyeva khalu. Indeed, even a crow fills its stomach by its beak. Vastutaha jivanam tu swasya rakshartameva nasti. So, in fact, life is not for protecting oneself. Yena jivanena अन्येषामपि प्रयोजनं संभवति तदेव सार्थकं जीवनं भवति. Indeed, that is a meaningful life by whose living benefits goes to others also. तदेव अस्मिन् पाठ्यभागे कथारूपेण उपस्थाप्यते. The same theme is presented in this portion of lesson in the form a story. Okay. Now we will see that story. एकस्मिन् नदीतीरे एकः साधुः आश्रमम् अधिवसति स्म. एकस्मिन् नदीतीरे एकः साधुः आश्रमम् अधिवसति स्म. On the banks of a river, an saint lived in a hermitage. Pratidinam te swakarma samapya आश्रमम् आगतान् जनान् प्रति उपदेशमपि कुर्वन् आसीत्. Every day, after completing his routine work, he was giving advice also to the people who came to his hermitage. तस्य साधोः उपदेशवचनं श्रुत्वा अनेके जनाः सदाचारेण सद्गतिं प्राप्तवन्तः. On hearing the words of saint, many men by practicing good conduct attained salvation. एतद् ज्ञात्वा एकः कृपणः मोक्षपदवीं प्राप्तुं वाञ्छन् तं साधुं दृष्ट्वा upayam apruchat. Knowing this, a miser desiring to attain salvation met the saint and asked the means सः साधुः कृपणं प्रत्यवदत्. The saint replied, Mr. Das, Bhavan pratidinam danam karoti iti. It means daily you do charity, then साधोः तद्वाक्यम् आकर्ण्य सः तथैव करोमि इति वचनं दत्वा आश्रमात् प्रस्थितवान्. On hearing these words, he, Mr. saying, I will do, started from hermitage, having come to his home daily, गृहमागत्य प्रतिदिनम् एकमुष्टि तण्डुलं दरिद्राय अयच्छत्. After reaching home, then he started daily he gave one handful of rice to the poor. एवम् एकसंवत्सरपर्यन्तं कृत्वा पुनः साधुं द्रष्टुं सः कृपणः आगतवान्. After doing like this for 1 year, the Messiah came to see the saint again. स्वदानक्रियां साधुं प्रति अब्रवीत्. It means स्वदानं कृतुम् अब्रवीत्. On the greatest of a saint, the saint replied, Mr. Das, it was a सः कृपणः मम दानक्रियां श्रुत्वा साधुः प्रशंसेत्. सः कृपणः मम दानक्रियां श्रुत्वा साधुः मां प्रशंसेत् इति मनसि अचिन्तयत्. The Messiah thought in his mind, having heard about my act of charity, the saint may praise me. किन्तु सः साधुः तूष्णीम् एव स्थितः आसीत्. But the saint remained only silent. अतः साधुः एकस्य बहु बृहत् वृक्षस्य समीपं गत्वा स्वनखेन तं वृक्षं चिच्छेद. Then the saint went near a big tree. He cut the tree by his fingernail. तत् दृष्ट्वा कृपणः साधुं पृष्टवान्, हे साधु, किं करोति भवान् इति. On seeing this, the Messiah asked the saint that, O saint, what are you doing? साधुः वृक्षस्य छेदनं करोमि इति उत्तरम् उक्तवान्. The saint gave reply as I am cutting the tree. Then ततः कृपणः एतत् कथं साध्यम् इति पुनः अपृच्छत्. Then the Messiah asked again, how is the possible? How is this possible? तदा साधुः यदि एकमुष्टि तण्डुलदानेन मोक्षपदवी साध्या तर्हि बृहत् वृक्षस्य छेदनमपि नखेन साध्यमेव इति उत्तरम् अदात्. Then Chaint is replying, when the salvation is possible by the charity of one handful of rice, then cutting a big tree by fingernail is also possible. Then साधु वचनात् कृपणस्य मनः परिवर्तितम् अभवत्. By the words of saint, a change occurred in the mind of the miser. तद्दिनात् आरभ्य सः स्वधनं सर्वं निर्धनेभ्यः आर्तजनेभ्यः च प्रायच्छत्. Then from that day onwards he gave all his wealth to the poor and afflicted. The next page is then श्लोकार्धेन प्रवक्ष्यामि यदुक्तं ग्रन्थकोटिषु परोपकारः पुण्याय पापाय परपीडनम्. It means what is said in crores of books, I shall say in half a verse. It means serving others is for merit and troubling is means for sin. அதாவது helping to others பரோபகாரம் பண்றதுனால புண்ணியமும், அடுத்தவங்களை இன்சல்ட் பண்றதுனால கஷ்டப்படுத்துறதுனால நமக்கு பாபமானது வந்து சேரும் அப்படின்றதுதான் இதனுடைய அர்த்தம். Then பரோபகாராய பலந்தி விருக்ஷாः பரோபகாராய துஹந்தி காவः. The trees bear fruits to serve others. Cows give milk to help others. Then paropakaraya vahanti nadyah paropakarartham idam shariram. The rivers flow for the sake of others. This body is also meant for helping others. Okay. Then ityadi preranadayakanu slokanu suvijnaya tadgunam lokahitam mama karaniyam iti swajivana laksham manasi samstapitavan. It means that having understood well the purpose of instructive virtues, the miser decided in his mind the aim of his life accordingly. Let me do good to the world. Lokahitam mama karaniyam. He spent the time day and night only by performing service to the people with detachment to achieve goals. Saha दृढ़व्रतेन वैराग्यचित्तेन च स्वलक्ष्यप्राप्त्यर्थं अहोरात्रं परोपकारम् एव कुर्वन् कालायापनम् अकरोत्. It means he spent the time with day and night only by performing service to the people with firm and bow and detachment to achieve his goals. He saved the lives of deceased person by donating his blood. Vyadigrastanam jananam prananu swaraktadaanena arakshat. He saved the lives of deceased people by donating his blood. Moreover, apicha स्वमरणानन्तरमपि मद्देहः उपयोगकरः भवितव्यः इति विचिन्त्य नेत्रदानमपि कृत्वा कृपणः कृपालुः अभवत्. It means, moreover, thinking that his body must be useful even after his death. Donating the eyes also, the measure became merciful. Aho sadhu vachana prabhavaha. Oh, the power of the words of wise. அதாவது ஒரு நல்லவங்களுடைய குட் அட்வைஸ், மாரல்ஸ் அண்ட் குட் ஸ்பீச், இதெல்லாம் வந்து ஒரு வேல்யூபிளான ஒரு லைஃபா மாற்றக்கூடிய, சொசைட்டியுடைய லைஃப் வந்து சொசைட்டில இருக்கக்கூடிய பீப்புள்ஸோட லைஃப் வந்து வேல்யூபிளா மாத்துறதுக்கு நிறைய ஒரு இன்சிடென்ட்ல நாம பார்க்கிறோம். ஈவன் டுடே அப்துல் கலாம் ஒரு லெக்சர் கொடுத்தாலோ, இல்ல விவேகானந்தா ஒரு லெக்சர் கொடுத்தாலோ, இதெல்லாம் நம்மளுடைய ஒரு சொசைட்டியை வந்து சேஞ்ச் பண்றதுக்கு, நம்மளுடைய கேரக்டர் சேஞ்ச் பண்றதுக்கு, ஒரு ஹெல்பிங் டு அதர்ஸ்ன்ற மைண்ட் வர்றதுக்கு நமக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா அமையுது. ஸோ அந்த ரீதியில தான் இந்த லெசனும் நமக்கு இந்த மாதிரிலாம் அமைஞ்சது. ஐ திங்க் நீங்க எல்லாம் வந்து இதெல்லாம் புரிஞ்சுப்பீங்கன்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். எனிவே, தேங்க்யூ. வி வில் see in next class.